Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. Question number 3. Really consider the tow truck as shown below. If the tension force in the cable is 1000 Newton and if the cable makes a 60-degree angle with the horizontal as shown here, then what is the vertical component of the force that lifts the car off the ground? What about the vertical component? Good. So let me do this. Yes. So how to resolve a force is a right angle triangle in Naya. Force which is the vertical, which is the what? The horizontal. Then renale angle higher 60 degrees. So more hypotenuse. More side angle, so revisa adjacent. Ena is opposite opposite side. This is 1000 Newton in F. Okay. A, this is the what? X-axis, the horizontal. So this is Fx. I'm going to Fx definitely my son's on 9 Fy because this is the vertical. With the horizontal what? Then what is the vertical component of the force? So what do I guys? So every time Raona soccer tour, because however thoughts have a chance, I got 0 chances. We don't take chances here. Yes, Rota successful in what we are trying to do. So Ronale hypotenuse guys, Harna side it's so Harna adjacent, Harna opposite, Ronale angle, we can't use this. So Hatarate vertical O and O sine, opposite, and hypotenuse. So sine 60. Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1000. Good. Sine 60 completing sine 60. What we get is 0.8660 is equal to 0 over 1000. What do we do to determine O? We multiply both sides by 100. Multiplying both sides by 100, this cancels out. So 100 times 1000 here, what do we get? 866.03 is equal to O is equal to O happens to be Fy. Fy is the one vertical. So we are how about the decimal point? Because now given decimal point to compare. Okay, so 866. So Fy is equal to vertical. The vertical component is 866 Newton. Your answer are yes. So let's look at the following question. So here it is. A small ball of mass M, here it is suspended by a string which revolves in a horizontal circle as shown below. Revolve. Determine the vertical and horizontal components of the 5 Newton tension on the string. So what are the tension here guys? 5 Newton. So tata aga chance. So I got re chance here. Mengala series itseng ke gore at the end it's answer in there. Okay? Yes. Even so this is 5 Newton. This is what? The hypotenuse. Where is the angle? The angle is here. The angle of 15 degrees. So angle of 15 hale ora mo ke mo ke opposite. Mo ke mo go ba pile le angle ke adjacent. Le ba di sa ira sentle gore ngile bona la gore yeah, and it's not a good thing. Make it 15 degrees. So adjacent ke ne me gape ke fy mo ke opposite me gape ke fx mo ke hypotenuse ke f ya bokae ya 5 Newton. So ra go irisaeng soccer to ga ke lebeletse re na le hypotenuse here ke sa itseng wa rena sone a rena opposite a rena adjacent, so we cannot use this one. Yena gona go irisa la o hilwe overtai kana o hilwe overtai ya ke go sena hypotenuse. Yes, so a re simoleng ka opposite re bateng fx pe. So ra re ke sine 15 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse ke bokae? Ke 5. Sine 15 ke bokae? Sine 15 impha 0.25882, right? Is equal to 0 over 5. What do? We multiply both sides by 5. This then cancels out. Or multiply by 5, what is it we get? We get 1.294 is equal to O ke mang gape? O ke fx. So fx here, guys. Are in robata adjacent side. So adjacent side is cos 15 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given as 5. I want to cos 15 or nella here. Or nella 0.96593 is equal to a over 5. What do? We multiply both sides by 5. Both sides by 5. This cancels out. So I'll multiply this by 5. What do we get? We get 4.8229 is equal to A ke mangana ke fy. Therefore vertical component is vertical ke y out of 4.8. Are ka round that aviane is a like kana le 5 tabe nna ka re a re o thaleseng ta Newton. Okay, then the horizontal component is key 1.3 Newton. So it's only answer at rona gone. Okay, I really the next question. I really believe this is the last one. Yeah, now I think, guys, number 5. The diagram below shows an airplane taking off. Oh wow. Yeah, amen, love. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of its velocity at an instant when it moves at a velocity of 300 kilometers per hour and 30 degrees to the runway. Okay guys, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So runway here guys. Sefofane sa rona se ka tswa se le go gongwe re sepe ke sone se se has at point X, mme la angle ya ke bokae ke straight line guys. It's sensor games, yeah, but it doesn't matter. So velocity is 300 kilometers per hour. The angle is 30 degrees. So what are the triangular rona in tsiang guys? In tsiang. What triangular rona in tsiang? Okay. Angular rona ki 30. More gain hypotenuse. More gain opposite. More gain adjacent. Adjacent e mo x is x. Hora v man vx because the velocity. How one the vy. Okay. Ye one ke man ye v. Good. So ra re sa eng gape. So yaanong ha re lebeletse re na le h is equal to 300, re na le hypotenuse hela tse a rena tsone. So ka ra rena adjacent le opposite ha re ka ra irisa e for now. Ya ba ke buile re irisa re na le ye re batai. I get so hard that similar guy. Sin 30 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite ke mang? Ke v, ke vy. Ke kopa o tsenisa vy ruri ke yone opposite. Then hypotenuse ke ye ke 300. Well, sin 30 ke bokae? Ke 0.5. 0.5 is equal to vy over 300. What do? We multiply both sides by 300. Why are we doing that? So that we make vy the subject of the formula times 300. 150 ke half ya 300 again. 150 is equal to vy. Right? And now cos theta of which is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. But aside here cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent ke vx over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse ke 300. Cos theta, what do we get? 0.8660 is equal to vx over 300. What are vx guys? So since already vx the subject, we multiply both sides by 300 for more cancel again. Then multiply 300 multiply 300. What do we get? We get 2598. 2.8 1 260 is equal to vx. Therefore, what are the vertical component and horizontal? Horizontal vx is equal to 260 kilometers per hour, while vy VY is 150 kilometers per hour. So this is how we find the components of a vector. Okay guys, re heading go nega ka dipotso tsa go resolve the force using trigonometry. In the next lesson re dirisa scale diagram re ntse re resolve gape the vector. Okay, thank you guys, let's meet on the next lesson.